Hi, this is Assistant Professor SNS College of Technology. I'd like to share that today we are going to discuss about the smart materials for mechatronics applications. In this case today we are going to discuss about how to control the civil structures using the piezoelectric dynamics smart materials. This is how we are doing it. The structural vibration control has always received a considerable research attention by this civil engineering community. In this regard, the excellent review of structural control applies to civil was reviewed by a tutorial survey or that are provided special insight into the needs of the structural control and various makes the ground thing of the ground fault needs. We have been investigated and these are commonly include active, passive, active and hybrid convection vibration systems, semi-active devices that advantage of active control devices and passive control proposed for a structural control applications. These includes controllable fluids, including electrolytical fluids and metallurgical fluids, and also a variety of materials where it makes a great role in the vibration control. So, as I said, that there were several researches. One of the highlighted researches, Waike and Dyke, on the base of the structure, they discussed the various results of studying the series conducted to compare the of various control for earthquake, hazardous migration, and what are the in various reference has been taken into the recent considerations. So they demonstrated the active systems achieve similar performance levels. Both of these generally surpassing the performance of passive control system at the same force as well as the level of the force obtained in this. Normally, the improvement in the performance of the system performed by the experimental verification by the manual radiological for the control of civil structures. So, as there is the structural vibration control may be considered with the recent attention by the in this. We have the various structural control applied to the civil engineering. The base material we are using by the piezo ceramic materials, refers to the substances that have the following unique property as is produced when piezoelectric substance is subjected to a strain, which is in the direct effect. And controversially, a mechanical deformation also has been occurred. That is, when you see that that is the stainless steel substances directional, which is said to be converse of chains. The direct piezoelectric effect is such as some microphones, accelerators, so ultrasound transducers. The effect is also used in actuators such as ultrasonic welders or ultrasonic motors. The piezoelectric is formed in the crystals that have a center of symmetry such as and rochels. So, as an important of ferroelectric precussion ceramics is ferromaterials with perovskite sectors such as barium, zinc, and titanate. So the ferroelectric ceramics becomes a piezoelectric when it is pulled. That is when I said that the polling direction, right? The pulled and this titanium ceramics piece is and the modification of solid solutions of lead and titanium lead synchronate. The relationship between the applied force and the resultant responses of materials a number of parameters such as properties of the materials, its shapes and directions, and which forces are electrical. The fields are applied relative to the materials axis. So, as I showed in the figures, represents the various condition element produced in electric element materials. They are used to identify the directions in the piezoelectric current method, and the axis 1, 2, 3 in the respective corresponding X, Y, and Z axis, where the been set during polling process, which reduces the piezoelectric properties of the material by applying a large DC voltage to the element for an period of time. That axis taken parallel to the polling directions. Once it has been done, the various sectioning columns and the stress comes under the various titles and it produces the result graph based upon the time and amplitude, based upon also the responsible time of the has been shown that the response time of amplitude voltage without PPF, it takes the minimum. Without control, there will be a larger extension of values, which results in uncontrolled vibrations. So in order to control the vibrations, we need of PPF, that is a piezoelectric responses. The second is the frequency and the energy levels in the description. So based upon that, the values without control has been slightly higher when compared to the values with PPF control. So the column shows the difference of the materials. The vibration control plays a major role in controlling the systems and as well as the various engineering successes, because the vibration will make an impact on structural binding and also will make the this becomes a destructible. So I told that it is an important thing as compared to the structural materials and structural smart materials and structural systems. And the smart materials plays a vital role by using a piezoelectric transducer. The actuators are kept in the board near the pressing bolts. There is a press happens, the section column obtained value has been frequent. The frequency there is possibility of damages. This is the reference we have taken for the case study by the M.V. Gandhi and Thompson for materials and structure and C. Rogers structures and engineering civil components. This is the important criteria for the construction of the buildings. So this is for our concern. If there is any queries, you can message me in the comment section. I will drop the text query, and I would like to show that I would like session based upon the another which is useful for your criteria now. Hope everyone understood. After that, bye bye. Signing of Mr. Sanderson, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Thank you.